Hi friends, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Amira. Come on in, the water's fine, I don't bite. On this channel, we talk about mindful productivity, wellness, and small actionable steps that we can take to create more balance and find meaning on our current journeys. So today I am super excited. We have a little at-home maintenance day, self-care routine planned. I am in need to address certain things, right? My hair, I wash it every week. It's starting to get a little dry, so it's time to refresh that. I'm also gonna be doing my nails. I've been doing my nails myself for the past several months because these nail salon prices are not matching the nail salon results. So I decided that I can do a basic gel mani myself. And so I've been doing that myself for the past few months. They're quite long now, as you can see, but this one has come off and my toes are a little chipped. So we're gonna address that today as well. I also plan to do a little at-home facial, shave my sideburns a little bit, shape up my brows. I bought a steamer, so I'm excited to use that, as well as other products that I don't usually use in my everyday skincare routine. And then for my hair, I'm also excited because I bought the Cécred line. So I think I bought, if not all the products, most of the products, and they came. So we're gonna try that out today as well. A little authentic review for you. And yeah, just all the good stuff. It's gonna be really relaxing. I have my tea going. I'm gonna journal a little bit, kind of reflect on my me time, my self-care, my wellness in my little Notion hub. Then we'll get into the hair. So you can go ahead and throw this on if you feel like doing your own at-home maintenance, and we can get uncrusty together. So let's get started.